Good evening, this is Jan. I'm gonna make tuna carpaccio. This is gonna be all about the flavor of fresh raw tuna together with some olive oil, lime and a little bit of vegetables as well. Here I got my fresh tuna. This is 150 gram exactly. This looks beautiful. With my fish knife I'm gonna slice this tuna into slices as thin as possible, something like this. And this works because the knife is quite sharp. You have to be careful, not too quickly. This is working. I will divide these slices of tuna on a plate. I think I could have cut these a little bit thinner than I actually did, but anyway, I think it's gonna be okay. Some olive oil, something like this, quite enough. I'll spread it over the tuna. Sea salt and black pepper. Not too much salt, just a little bit. The black pepper. Quite enough, as always. A big fan of black pepper. For vegetables I'm going to use some arugula, also to give it a little contrasting color. Just put it around the tuna. Then I got some sliced radish, slices already. Plus another vegetable that goes very good with tuna, and that is capers. Put some of it in the middle and some on top. Just random. And the final touch is adding the lime. You have to do this at the end because otherwise it will affect the flavor of the tuna. So I'm gonna do this just now. Enough, but not too much. I think this must be sufficient. So here is my version of tuna carpaccio. Let's try the tuna. Fresh tuna. It's nice, it's tender and full of flavor. Beautiful. All the flavors blend together. I'm a big fan of tuna as well as I'm a big fan of capers and radish, so this is good. Lime works well with the tuna. This has got the fresh acidity that it needs. Nice with the marinade of olive oil together with the lime. Nice with the spice from the black pepper. Plus the briny capers. You know, tuna is a fish that really needs to be rare or raw, on the inside at least. Also when you cook it or when you grill it, because then it keeps its freshness. And it's completely 100% raw, so this is even more fresh. Just how I like it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.